Where is your...
Oh, amazing Taiwanese food. I like Taiwanese food.
I could be anywhere else in the world right now, but here I am in Taiwan. So I want to take this opportunity to ask people some random questions and see what they have to say. All right, let's go.
It's natural to sneeze in public, right? But however, during this time, people feel a little bit shy, right?
Yeah.
How would you feel if you want to just sneeze naturally in public?
I will, of course, first I will wear a mask, not like right now.
Yeah.
And if I want to sneeze, even if I have the mask, I will put my shirt here, so people will feel secure around
Or
me.
maybe your elbow.
Oh yeah, maybe my elbow, like
Okay.
this. But maybe my shirt.
Like there was a time where I was on a train.
Okay.
So, and I feel like I wanted to cough, but I was holding myself because I didn't want people to look at me and think that I have coronavirus.
I see. As current issue, would you feel shy to sneeze in public?
No, I feel it's normal because it's a normal reaction. We can control when we want to hatching, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Sneeze is very normal.
Sometimes the mindset is very important.
So I can't control.
Okay.
But other people, I hear other people sneeze, I will go away. Yes.
Because you don't want to contact the
Yes.
virus. You're so afraid.
Most of us think that the sneeze is kind of physiological behavior. So that is just nothing for the.
Okay.
We will not really care about it.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's not. Our culture is different to other countries. Yeah, like other countries will. If someone sneezes, they will say bless you, but Taiwan's not. Yeah, so we have we have a different kind of cultures.
Okay. Would you feel shy to sneeze?
No, because everyone will sneeze, and I usually sneeze because I have allergies. And it's a natural performance for people.
A few years ago, Taiwan has occurred the SARS.
Okay.
Yeah, it's from China also.
Yeah.
Yeah, so virus.
Yeah.
So most of people will have the
Knowledge.
of that.
Okay, to protect themselves.
Yeah, sure.
All right, that's okay.
I think health is priceless.
Thank you so much.
I am very hopeful that humanity is going to emerge victorious in this. But until then, stay safe.
This one.
Wow, look at this. He has a lot of masks.
But
Can I
only
see?
you.
Only me?
Secret.
See? I got myself a lot of masks. Wow.
Taiwan is helping now.
Yes.
Yeah. 所以就是大家一起共同努力来面对这个疫情。希望疫情赶快结束，大家加油。